scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Calculus problems like this integral look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds by following these 3 simple steps to find the correct answer today. First, we rewrite the fraction. Using the rule for negative exponents, 1 over e to the x is equivalent to e to the negative x. That is our starting point. Now we integrate. The integral of e to the negative x is negative e to the negative x because we must account for the chain rule. You got this. Keep going. Finally, we compare our result to the given choices. Our calculated expression matches option A perfectly. That makes option A the winner. We have officially finished this math problem. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore the sign or drop the constant. Always use the chain rule for exponents.